Hello, my adoring fans.
Which is the new
Now,
one and
can
which
you
is
spot the
old?
difference? One of them has been around the world. One of them was freshly
cured, Right,
bored.
so you go along, you find out what it is.
Yeah, also, it's
Do
not
what
just
they
my
say.
ears are gross. It's like the whole thing got gross because they were in like a gross bag. Anyway, here's my usual tasty breakfast. And here I am at the gym. A bit shorter than usual because I'm working off the criticism. But 45 kg, moving pretty well for this set, which is new. Haven't been able to do a set of 8 of these yet. Fortunately, there were a couple of other sets after where I think I got 7 and 5 or something like that. Then 150 kilogram deadlift. That felt good. Had a bit of a sore back this morning when I woke up, but I was able to, I was really conscious about not, doing anything stupid and keep my form good. And this 150 felt easy. So next time I might go up to 160. We'll see how. Basically, the next time my back's feeling good, I'm doing that. 120 pause. Love a good pause. Love a good 120. I'm feeling pretty aspirational. I'm feeling inspired with the gym. I mean, I'm clearly gaining about 1,000 kilograms. I can only hope that 1 kilogram of that is muscle. And here I am doing Arnold presses. I think this is my favourite dumbbell exercise. It always feels really good. But here I am, psyching myself up. I was pretty tired at this point. Also, I had a bit of a busy day today. I knew I had to rush back, do a bit of interview stuff, which I think I forgot to record before I went. But I've been doing interview stuff all day. So I had an interview at 4. It's went okay, I think. We'll see. I don't think I'm quite qualified for the job, but I think the interview itself went well. So fingers crossed. Then I had my protein bar, got a protein shake, did some more interviewee stuff. Shout out page revenue, unless they don't give me the job, then
Beep.
no shout out. Anyway, then my parents got on this bus and they headed off to the gym for mum's exercises. It looks like it might be the penultimate trip, so another one in 5 or 6 weeks, and then it might be just do it yourself. So good work, mum, she's doing well. Then some toast. Maddie got me a pre-interview snack. Then I did my interview stuff. It went okay. And then to cheer myself up, well, not cheer myself up because I actually went okay, but to add additional cheer, I opened up my basketball shoes.
Oh, mama.
They're so new.
Am I going to be like the Greek
They're so exciting. I can't wait to put them on my feet. I can only assume I'm going to become incredible at basketball. They actually do feel quite different than trainers. So, because I haven't had a new pair of basketball shoes since I was 16, which was 13 years ago. So I think technology is advanced. Anyway, then I did a bit of my Python course, not much today because I was, already quite zonked out. Then had some delicious duck and potatoes and cherry sauce. And also veg, very tasty. Had some cake made by Craig, who's my sister's fiance. Great. And then chilled out with Maddie, had a bit of a foot rub, and then played some World of Warcraft. And now it's reaching bedtime. We've grown to level 14 in World of Warcraft, completed many a quest, and we've moved on to Darkshore. Time has flown by since this video was recorded. So anyway, I hope everyone has a good day.
What a noob.
And adios!
Carry it all by myself.